Okay, sure.
Mic check. Nonzwakazi 1 2.
Mic check.
Yeah.
Hey?
The guy who's there must know who is saying something.
So that's how we know which girl is here.
The girl. RadioDR.co.za, deeply rooted world. Welcome back to the Deeply Rooted Show. Hello, Slew.
Hello.
Hello, Nonzwakazi.
Hi.
But the superstar sometimes.
Bro.
When's this?
This might be the biggest person we've had on the show.
What?
Well, with me here.
Yeah, she usually disappears for the bigger guests.
Not that I disappear. He only invites the bigger guests when I'm not around.
No. He chooses not to be here. He'll be like dad that day. Otherwise, how are you?
That's what I'm sorry. Yeah.
I'm fine, thanks, guys. Ninjan.
Peter, invite last year.
Yeah, hey, I had to come after that.
That's what?
That shot.
Yes, that shout out.
Oh, yeah.
That you did.
Yeah.
Y'all called me out.
Yeah.
I was watching the interview.
You're watching the interview with Joe.
Yes. And I was like, okay, that was not necessary.
But it's good you care about your image like that.
And now you're here.
And now I said, below, I watched the interview and I feel bad. So yeah, let's reschedule.
How bit to girls will share, but it's the shop.
Yeah.
You are famous for singing, man. Predominantly.
Yeah, for singing.
How did that start? Where you from? How did that start?
Skawini, when I was a kid.
In my farm.
My farm.
Oh, check. It just sounds far.
What's wrong with farms?
Yeah,
there's nothing wrong with farms.
No,
it's how you guys perceive about my farm. That's the problem.
I love
it's how you guys perceive.
I love me and FJ. I love me a farm juju.
Yeah.
Well, what's you?
She's a farm with farms.
That's you. Okay, has a chance with my farm, so I am definitely not from the farms because people they work a lot and I'm very lazy. I'm very lazy.
So then how do you become famous?
I love working. I don't love working at home.
Oh, things that you get paid for.
Yeah,
oh,
I love money. The domestic vibes, not for me.
Oh, Peggy. We are going to
gotta eat.
When you say men's dirt.
If you like it, then
yeah, men's gotta eat.
So figure out.
Okay.
Yeah, from Skawini.
I'm from Skawini in Kulele Corner. Ukula. I was doing grade 4.
Sure.
Primary school.
Sure.
Do you know that shit?
No.
Oh,
I mean, I didn't go to church.
No. I went.
No, but that's school stuff. It's not church stuff.
Oh,
you went to school in Joburg.
Yeah, I didn't go to church.
Yeah.
But Nina, church and state was very close.
By the way.
So there's a choir.
Primary school.
Is that a Zulu school?
Zulu, yes. Primary school.
Yeah.
I went there. Was doing grade 4. Got an announcement. Anyone who wants to join the choir. I mean, my problem is I remember I was playing netball, but then when they made an announcement to go see anyone who wants to join the choir, I was number 1. Went there, and then I just loved it, and the love grew from there.
So that's your first introduction to singing.
Introduction to singing.
There's something new.
Yes.
Let me just try it.
Yeah, because even Ngingang went at church, but it wasn't like a structured thing. It was just generally singing at church and loving singing at church.
Sunday school,
there wasn't like a choir that participated in other activities. It was merely just singing at church. But I enjoyed.
And what grade is this? Sorry.
It's grade 4.
Sure.
Yes.
So young, Joe.
So
you got the pipes of grade 4.
Yeah. And
at home it was like,
yes.
Okay.
My parents were very
so
supportive.
when we're I'm a guest, so what's a cool little aunt?
Yes, was a dancer. Was a tula, was that girl.
So there was like before TV.
Was a singer. Like
before TV, about entertainment and
you
so how now was a yes.
And wawusho kanye.
Star is born.
The Star is Born.
Yes.
So Manje, have you ever have you always had that confidence when it comes to performing since that young age?
I think so, yes.
Because at home, like, you receive support. So
I
it was
received so much love.
Okay.
And you know, sometimes parents lie to us and say, "Oh my God, my child, you got it." Yeah. I think if they were lying, well, it was good lies.
Gotcha. Thank God,
Yeah.
like, as a parent, you're just like, I don't have to lie.
Yeah, it's
Yeah. Like,
it's
actually good. Like, they're actually good.
but some
Yeah,
parents
so
lie to each other.
that comfort for me, yenza uthando lwakhula, and then ngicule emakhwayeni, basically choral music, by the way.
Showcase.
Choral music, and then
African choir. We in those high school choirs.
yes,
Those Zulu high school choirs.
Zulu high school choirs,
Yeah,
where you'll have
Ilizwili.
thank you, where
Yeah,
you'll
well.
have a conductor in front of you, and
Oh,
yes, you see that one,
yeah.
Oh, inyoni.
yebo.
Yayihamba nomfana.
Posture. On fleek.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's where I come from, and then
That's my favorite song there. What is it?
high school.
Love that choir song, bro. Yes, there.
Yeah, I know it.
Because you do.
You got trauma in her face.
Yeah, look at her. She doesn't want to sing that one.
I don't want to
Love
sing that.
Stop taking me back, bro. Can you stop taking me back?
Yeah, so that's where I come from. Junior secondary, then I played netball.
Oh, yeah. Or be athletes.
Yeah. Netball. It was very competitive in junior secondary.
Okay.
Choir was also doing well. Netball was also doing well. I experienced a lot of.
Sorry. What's junior secondary? Is that
Angithi mina
primary
ngifunde-
school?
Angithi mina ngifunde ngale khathi
Eh.
le wokufika ku grade 1 to 4.
That's
primary
Primary
school.
school.
And then usuka grade 5 is junior secondary, grade 5 to grade 9.
Oh.
And
What we
then
call primary school.
Yes, and then grade 10 to grade 12 is high school. Yeah, it was awkward.
Secondary.
OPE.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was awkward.
Yeah, no,
Okay,
I know.
nice.
No, just bring it back for us youth. I had the choice for athletes. I'm young.
Yeah,
Oh.
yeah. So it was
Anyway.
like that team.
Okay, I get
Yeah,
it.
so I'm moving to junior secondary school. Yeah, I was looking forward to. I went to Ilembe.
Shaga.
It's Ilembe primary now, but ngesikhathi it was Ilembe junior secondary.
Gotcha.
Shout out.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I went there, and my activities were taken very seriously.
Gotcha.
Like,
I did everything. I did news reading. I
News
did-
reading. Jesus.
I'm that girl.
Yeah.
I did news reading. I was very smart. So I do news reading, public speaking, drama, everything. And then I would get a bit disturbed at school because I experienced a lot of bullying.
Sure.
Like, was it females or like boys?
Everyone.
Like
Yeah.
boys
Well,
liked you
boys
though.
mainly.
Because boys liked you though.
No, I don't think so.
You know,
Yeah.
you know when you're a kid, dog, when you're picking
Yeah.
up someone, you're like, I'm tan.
Yeah.
But why?
It's because you don't have
I'm
any
trying to
other
grab your
way.
attention,
Yeah,
and I don't
yeah.
know any other way to speak to people.
So it's better for you to annoy me.
No, but like
It's the only way.
if I'm vulnerable, if I'm saying it wasn't like tanned, I'm vulnerable. Man, you can spit on me or in or whatever.
But aren't you then giving me a chance to hate you?
Kanjan, if we have this tick and tack, it's very close to love. I'd
Yes.
say.
I
You're
don't
giving
like
me
that.
attention.
Yeah, it's very close. I can turn it around. No, like you don't know that at the
You
time.
sounds like a former bully.
No, you don't.
And you see the way I'm looking at
Look at
you
the
right
trauma
now.
on her face. Look at the trauma.
It was love, dog.
Really?
It was love, dog. Umchaza nje useyibo mbuka nje umuntu wami nje lapha.
Othi ngomhlupho, othi ngomphucukuzi.
Manje ngombingelela ngizongingiza. Kodwa mengimcoba, hayi ke kuyashelela.
So see my smarts in the jokes.
Where a nigga spends his attention or his time, doesn't waste his attention or time.
Well, it's obvious you don't receive it that way. And
Yeah. Phela wena,
Where's the problem?
you can't see beyond yourself at the time.
Don't blame the victim.
No, I'm just saying
You're
can't.
victim
I'm
blaming.
saying you can't see the true intention, right? Because you stuck on the feeling of yourself.
I just
guess.
feel like
Well,
Is
I've
that
seen the
not the-
stuff in movies.
Yeah,
It happens like that,
It happens
but
in real life. As a guy,
A movie is a movie, guys.
no.
Can you imagine as a
Movies
young
are written
boy?
by writers that are come from the human world.
Yes, who
Yeah, I
replicate
know
the-
that,
yeah.
but-
Yes. You know that better as an artist, Futsi.
I know.
Art imitates life, bro.
Yeah. Can you imagine being a small boy, Utsando Mund, who's look at that girl? Oh my God! Every day she makes my day. She didn't speak.
You know, right now, as you guys are speaking, I am having these images of my bullies in my head.
Yeah.
And to think that they liked me.
None
But
of
what
them.
did they do? Let's just get to the what
No,
is
you know what? You know what was the thing?
Yeah.
Esikoleni ngangimude. And you know, esikoleni,
Wabuzumude.
you know, there was this
this.
pathetic, stupid thing that they would do.
I'm sorry for laughing.
Othisha, angena uthisha eklasini ephethe ibhuku azobuza iminyaka. Abasukuma bana 13, abasukuma bana 14.
So I was 34. And
So you know the part that will irk me the most. Masakuthiwa birthday yakho mengakafiki. Musu ukuthi wena una 13.
Yeah.
Because mina ngizalwa ngoJuly. Musu ukuthi lento yenziwa la ku March.
Yeah.
Musu ukuthi una 13 wena usena 12. And you know what the funny thing is? Funny now, but it wasn't funny back then. Nangimude nginawo bonke eklasini. And then I turn out to be the youngest.
So what would they say?
They will say I'm lying. Nginamanga ngizazi ukuthi nginangaki. They will throw my mom into the shit, and they'll say, "Oh, mawakho shuthi akazi ukuthi wakuzala nini."
And kids are
kids are cruel.
Yes, and at some points I had to steal my birth certificate
to show them
to prove that guys, like I'm not
really
lying.
this age.
But that was
Washaya heist NZ.
Yes, I went under the bed
That is
to get
crazy.
this thing, and that day was very important to me. But
And then after that, what did they?
no,
Oh,
what?
Oh, then
See those guys that you're saying that they liked me?
That loved you.
Oh God,
They went ham.
It was worse.
Oh, Uzi, youngin. Even more like-
I can.
Yeah, even more like.
Anyway, then
Yeah.
you fought the victory with the arts.
Then you know what saved me? Netball.
Because why?
Because you are
Because I was the
aggressive
star of the
and she was
school.
aggressive.
Oh.
Yes.
And so you're using your height against them. To one step.
Yes.
Netball is female rugby, dog.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's
So
female
I
rugby.
played netball
Yeah.
and ngangisimangena.
So.
So you've always been the girl.
Yeah.
Always been the girl.
One
This
way
is
or
primary
another,
school
I've always
girl, eh?
been the girl.
Primary school,
Oh,
early.
secondary, what?
Junior secondary.
Junior
Junior
secondary.
Junior secondary.
Yeah.
Remember that. Junior
So
secondary.
then, what do you do after matric? Matriculation.
Okay, then I go to high school.
Okay.
Oh wait, this is still junior.
That's
This is
junior
junior,
secondary,
dog.
dude.
Sorry.
Keep
I
up.
heard secondary.
High school, 10 to 12.
Oh.
Yes, it's grade 10 to 12.
Yeah,
Oh,
grade 10
God
to 12.
damn it.
Yeah. So now I go to high school.
Yeah.
I'm like this netball girl.
Watch look clean.
And I'm like, what's happening in this school? Like,
What are the activities?
What's happening in my school?
where's
let's go.
where are the netball chicks? Because you better tell them
That I'm here.
that I'm here now.
I was in the A team in grade 6.
I was in a team. I ended up playing not only for the municipal team but for the district team. So I was that good. So tell those bitches.
Dragons back, wait.
Tell those bitches.
Yeah,
that
and
I'm
so
here. And then I find with Skoleni the netball team was not just that strong.
you're the only star.
Yeah, and then I said
Cristiano Ronaldo in Saudi
this is
Arabia.
not for
Why
me.
is she here?
Yeah, I just left. It was not for me. I left, and
There
then
was no glory. She loves the glory.
Yeah,
you
I
just
mean-
better, you need strong.
You need
Well,
this.
you know, we
You
are
need a
figure
strong
high school.
supporting
Khona ma 8 girls are corner, you know, and when ufika ne mentality leyo ukuthi no, like I want to make a mark, you know, I'm new here, I want to.
They must know my name.
They must
These
know,
bitches should
and then you
know.
get here, where like
You're like, I'm the only type bitch here.
I'm like no, not for me.
So what did you do?
And then I joined the high school
choir.
choir. Yeah. And then
How was the choir there though? Was it like competitive or was it also just chilled?
no, choir was taken very seriously.
Got you.
Yeah, the choir was taken very seriously. I competed with other schools. I was quite known in the
So
province.
you were drawn to anything that had like eyes or like something that was like taken seriously in a
Yeah.
sense. If it
something
wasn't
that has structure, something
Spectacular.
Yes, I'm there.
where you could really show who you are and
Yebo.
whatnot. Okay,
Makune
cool.
order futhi.
Oh,
Kwenziwe kahle.
Kunama rules.
Zama rules,
Yeah.
leadership structure is clear.
Got you.
I'm there.
Funubo captain one day always.
Duh.
That's
Yeah, so high school for me was a breaking point. I'll tell you why. Because angisukuba nalama competitions, choral music competitions where compete with schools around your area, and then uhambe up until you go to national level. Yeah, and then I did that. I was a soloist at school and then I went to national level. I didn't win, but I represented KZN very well.
Okay.
That was 2009. I was doing grade 12. Still, my height
We like almost the same
received
age.
a lot of attention because there are a lot of people that I was competing with who were very sure that I'm a student from Unizulu. Yeah, I mean, at some point you had people who work from the department coming to my school unannounced to check if I'm really at class because, girl, you are too good to be a learner.
Sure.
You're tall and you're big and whatnot. But yeah, I mean, high school for me was the breaking point when it
So
comes to my
that gave
career.
you all the belief you needed in yourself, really, like in high school. Because I feel like at different
Yeah.
stages you got that from where like it started hard, you found your place.
Yeah, I always found my place. As difficult as it was, as emotionally exhausting sometimes, it was. But I think in the end, I always won.
So high school is when you knew, like, okay, I'm gonna sing now. Like I'm doing this thing for like
Yeah.
as a career.
Yes.
Like ngiyaphuma la ngiyocula.
Good.
Ngiyocula, yes.
Ngumculi.
But angizucula kuphela.
What did your parents say?
Uphuma, you knew ukuthi ngicula kuphela?
Ngizocula, yes. But angizucula kuphela.
Okay.
Yes. I'm not going to go to varsity and study music.
Okay.
But I will sing like a person who studied music.
Sure.
Okay.
So I want to do something else while I'm doing singing so that I have options.
So the sports thing and the singing thing was always like it was always, you always had to do more than one thing.
Yes.
So you've always been like that since.
Yes, since I
Okay.
love exploring.
Term 1, since I look, term 2, since I look, term 3, since I look.
yeah.
Yeah, njalo nje. So it's something to do.
Okay,
Up
dope.
until kids hate you because
You're so good at everything.
yeah,
You
we're tired of
like,
having
We're
to
tired of
clap
our
for you.
parents saying, good, you must be like her.
Yeah, we're tired of having to clap
Hey,
for you.
Nyangane, hey.
She has a chip on her shoulder, dog.
Uba. Her, why do you say that?
Because
Slo?
she's like, we're tired to having to clap for
To
you.
clap for you.
That's like niggas, you go see me. Yeah, like dog, like yeah. When did that develop? Like, was that from how you say like you were bullied and whatnot? So did it start
Just
there?
bring back or of sorts a reaction.
For me, I think it was a coping mechanism. For, having many things to focus on, shift from the effects of
Then
being
focusing on-
bullied and always being reminded because when you have bigger feet than us and everything. So me
What
having
size,
to
what size there?
I'm a size 9.
That's like my sister tag.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's
That's a
pretty
big
large
girl.
for her.
Yeah,
that's a big girl.
yeah,
But
yeah,
like,
yeah.
I have a size.
But I
like a
can't
sister.
wear size 7.
I'm a
Yeah,
size
no, you
7. What's
can't,
wrong with
yeah,
the
no.
size 7?
Yeah, but like you're
But I'm a big girl.
yeah.
You'd be laughing at me.
Yeah, I'm laughing at your size.
Monopause, I have my-
Ubona mina ayidose. Yeah, so I think for doing many things for me was a coping mechanism.
Sure.
Now that sengikhulile and I'm looking back, it was a coping mechanism because I always wanted to keep busy.
Okay.
Yeah.
I get, and then what did you then decide to study?
I studied psychology.
Wait, did you finish?
Yes, I did.
Why psychology?
Why psychology?
Because I've always been interested on the human mind and how different our minds are and how our minds are everything. They're the computer of your whole body.
Yes.
And Ekaya, my older brother, God rest his soul, had autism.
Sure.
My younger sister has autism.
Yeah.
So I'm
were
the
like,
middle child, and I'm the only one, Kuma, who without autism. So I was always interested, Uguti, damn, what goes on in
Inside,
these
yeah.
guys' minds?
Is it like, was it always like hectic autism or was like slight?
Hectic
okay.
autism. My sister can't speak.
To this day.
Yes.
And do you guys find ways to communicate with her?
Yes, we can communicate with
dope.
her. She can't speak. We can't carry a conversation with her. It's hectic autism. There are certain behaviors that when I'm a wabuga, you would think, but a child would do this.
Yeah.
So she has hectic autism. My brother had the same exact same thing. So for interest so I wanted to understand how do we get here? How do we as humans physically get diagnosed with something that is not right here? Physically, you're fine.
Sure. Everything works.
Everything works. You're fine. It's not. You're not deaf. No. You're not mute. So I had all those questions. So then I wanted to study psychology.
How does it come about if it's not like a hardware thing?
If it's not a
hardware
it's not a machine, the body thing.
It's not a body, yeah. So how does it because I think it's wiring of brain circuits or things like a hardware thing. So if it's not a hardware thing, or you're saying only like a psychological thing?
Yes, it's a it's the something with your brain. Physically, if I wait,
physically, our brains are the same.
Yes.
They wired the same. Everything is perfect.
Everything is the same.
Different.
Yes.
But something stopping the neurons from firing the correct way.
Yes, exactly.
But then is that not like a hardware thing?
It depends, hey.
Okay, it's external and internal, if we may put it like that.
No, but that's one of the things. It's very different. The human body is not essentially only hardware and only software. It's always like your brain
can affect your
neuroplasticity, right?
Yes,
is your brain every day with every experience is shifting and changing based on every experience. So like it's hard to diagnose whether it's a hardware or a software or is it initialization between the two.
Because I'm thinking that is a trauma based. Because that's my name.
Isn't born you born with it?
You're born with it. You're born with it. So what I meant with that was that my siblings are not or that's what I meant.
Disabled.
You're not physically disabled.
Okay.
You're mentally disabled.
Okay, cool.
So interest
How was it like growing up like that with your siblings?
It was okay. Because I used to take advantage.
I knew it. You find your joy, dude. I was watching this one meme, Doug, of these two sisters and the one's deaf. The one's deaf. So the one who can speak or the one who can hear would say words, and this one would try to repeat the words.
Yeah.
But so obviously it's it's a fuck up on
yeah.
But they find that joy in the experience of it.
You know mawuzalwa nabantu abakhubazekile.
Are they assholes? They assholes.
Kuwena.
I've seen assholes.
Not sometimes.
Yeah.
Kuwena, you're not. Focus ayiko on the part of disability.
Yeah.
This is just my sister. This is my brother.
Yeah.
They have autism.
Yeah.
They have the thingies that they do.
Yeah.
It's fine. When if you have a problem with if you see them jumping up and down you're the one who has a problem. To me, this is normal.
This is my normal, yeah.
You take advantage of it. There are certain things that they don't like eating. People with autism don't like change.
Yeah.
So there's a routine. This is what they eat for breakfast. This is what they eat for lunch. And I know very well that my brother doesn't eat eggs. But I'll make eggs for him. These are your eggs. These are my eggs. These are my sister's eggs. They don't eat eggs. But now I know that I have 6 eggs. You know?
So I can find a one.
Yeah. And then, I forgot. And they're mine. So growing up with disabled people, you forget the part of it.
Yeah.
This is your normal. At my home, this is normal.
Yeah.
When ungaphandle ungafika and be like, what's going on?
Yeah.
Oh, wait, that's beautiful.
That's beautiful, Jude.
Yeah.
So then, did you finish your degree in psychology?
Yes, I did.
So you're working in the field?
I did, but as I was doing my undergrad, I got very interested in industrial psychology.
Wait, you want to go help people that fell in mines?
Is that like the workforce?
Yes, the
the
factory.
workforce.
Oh, a box fell on your head. How do you feel about your life?
No.
It's even worse than that, dog. It's the fucking employer saying, okay, we need these people who have a right mind. So they have a right output.
Is it that? Is it that type?
Yeah.
Occupational therapy. It's how do we make these people work 10 hours a day?
Billions.
No, guys, why are you making it sound so negative?
No, how? We're showing the range. The company hires more people as people grow up and upskill. How?
It's about valuing the human factor at work.
Yes. So it just produces the right.
Yeah,
the right output.
Yes, Yabonja manager with what's this shit?
What shit?
Oh God.
Here we go.
Is it local?
What's this thing? The transformation that's going on.
Gender transformation.
No.
Employment.
With robotics and
AI.
Yes. Okay. All of those things, you know, right now.
Oh,
what do you like? What
are you gonna do against this?
Show us a context.
No, I'm not saying that I want to start a revolution against it. No, that's not what I'm saying. Okay. But what I'm saying right now, I showcase in Google in the academic sector. There's a huge debate going on about with human factor versus robotics.
Are humans is AI going to replace our jobs?
Yes, what's going on? Why is it important to value the human factor? What is it that the human factor brings to the workplace versus it's a lot.
Robots don't get sick.
What's your point of view?
Because my point of view is my point of view is, I mean, first, before you pick a side, you study both sides. You know? Of course, robots don't get sick, as you've said. Robots, high productivity, less noise, less headache, and whatnot. You know,
and robots don't get pregnant.
It only comes with customization.
Don't start with me.
No, What they don't get pregnant.
Yeah,
it's a fact.
But don't start with me.
Robots like men.
Don't get pregnant and then go on 4 months leave.
Nigga, don't open a can of worms.
I'm playing with you.
Like what's wrong?
Because I'm a woman.
How? So what? So does that have to do with
why do you have an issue with pregnancy?
No one has an issue with pregnancy.
I have an issue with people getting sick too.
If you're
people getting
sick at the workplace, yes.
That could be a dude. If you're an employer.
And this guy gets stuck by a car and he's in hospital for 3 months. You have to pay his salary and his replacement salary.
Okay, so what's the question there?
No, I'm saying as an employer.
How would you feel about that?
How would you feel about that?
Like, would you not say
more?
No, would you pay 2 salaries?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm paying salary.
And his replacement salary.
Oh, that doesn't sound nice.
Yeah, but that's what I'm saying.
As an employer, because employers are people too.
Like when a lady has a baby and goes off for 4 months and then I have to pay her and...
The toss are still the same. I work
as an employer, I want my partner to go.
So as I was saying, before I was interrupted. So see the debate that we're having right now? Those are the debates that will take place every time. Lecture hall, human factor versus machines. Now that we're in this era, now that machines are doing everything for us, what about the human factor?
What about your voice?
But do
have we forgotten about the human factor?
But do you think it makes it takes it out, or do you think it just redirects where your voice should be? It's like you said, you don't want to spend time on his cleaning and all of this. Like you want to use your energy on things that are tangible in which you can see or quantify like the returns that you have, right? In it. So it's like, okay, I won't type. Yeah, but I can't type anymore. So that is a scale of wash his age. But at least you can put your faculties elsewhere in which like you can see an exponential return or impact of your faculties as opposed to his age.
Like me, I hate writing. Like AI, I'll be like 1 page, write 3 pages for me based on this.
Okay, but when it comes to arts,
script. I made a script on AI. It's art.
Well, that's good.
when I
That's
make
great.
music, I go give me a chord progression for a pop song, and it goes. Brah. I still have
That's
to play it on
great.
my guitar. Yeah, well,
That's great.
human factor.
That's great. I mean, I won't lie. I'm not gonna say that's stupid or that's just I'm not gonna hate on AI. That's
No
great.
one's saying you're hating.
But
We're not AI fans. We just
We just users.
but art. I'm gonna speak about art.
Let's go.
We can never take away the element of soul in art.
Yeah.
We can never take that
Are you
away.
saying that we could never make a soul robot?
A soul robot.
No, she's saying in terms of music, you
In
can
terms
never
of
make
music.
a soul in. But wait, I would argue that.
Yeah.
Wait.
Okay, let me just.
This is good.
Well, in my opinion,
Okay, yes,
I don't
yes,
think
yes.
there's my
Studied
my
opinion.
music, for instance. There's meaning behind it. It's someone's experience. There's soul. There's feelings. There's emotions that are attached to it. All my music, and I'm sure I'm not the only artist who will resonate with that. Writing a song down, there's a spiritual element that is connected to it. Some of us, these things are not planned; they come to your dreams. Each and every artist has their own experience when it comes to producing art. All right, so which is why I'm saying that artificial intelligence, is that what it is?
Yes, that's correct.
Yes. Takes all of that away and just gives you this. This is this. You need to consume this. You don't need to understand what experience happened. You don't need to understand what
Make this vibe.
make na 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 for me.
Okay, have you tried to make a song through?
No, I haven't tried.
Can
Are you
you
scared?
please try it? Make a song through it, because I think
You're coming from
yes,
a symbolism.
you can paint like a painter can paint, but if you can find something that can paint for you, you can be like, ugh, yeah, but you can still direct the direction in which that painting has to go.
That final output.
Yeah, but any. So you have, I'd say, there's something that you're channeling in which that allows you to express yourself, in which in a conscious state you may not be able to be aware of it at the time. So that's why it may come to you in your dreams, in this in an afterthought or whatever, when you're not necessarily
Conscious.
Yeah, when you're not necessarily actively thinking about Hennessy or this or whatever. Not to say you're a Hennessy drinker. God damn funny. I'm joking. That was just like a joke, 'cause it's there. But what I'm saying is that so your use of AI won't be the same way that I'd use AI.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
so I'd be limited in my range of AI because I'm just a mother who doesn't know anything about chords or whatever. I say make
I
this call.
see what you're saying. Yeah,
But
I see.
your use of it could be way 3 times.
And
10
that's
times.
and that's all it is. Like you say, like the human factor. When you put AI and the human factor, like the AI it can maybe be able to take all of the soulful songs that have been made and be able to find like the algorithm or the source and be able to make something somewhat that could maybe the illusion of soul, if you get what I mean. It could be sonically create a sonic version, but it needs somebody who has it. So it's the man to sit there and be like, nope, it's your tanga. And that would be you as a person behind the AI direction showing it. So I think while we're alive, at least maybe next 50 years, there'll always be an intertwining. The machine will take away the tedious things, but you still
dishes, dog.
Yeah, but you still it'll do the dishes, but you still have to come and put the soap, change the soap every 20 days or so. Yeah, about type of thing.
Yeah.
So you're the soap changer with the AI.
It'll take convincing.
Nah, you have to try it. You can't.
I'm not saying I'm not going to try it.
No, but it won't.
But
Just one song.
Just one
Let's
song.
co-produce a song so we can get credit.
Yeah.
Let's co-produce a song with AI.
So if I with AI, it's ChatGPT.
Okay.
And then say record the
Okay. I'll definitely want to
Go
do
vele
that.
ukwazi ukusebenzisa istudio ushilo lapha before
AI phela kusangikwazi total kahle.
Open a technical.
usupressa la record.
Yeah. You're such an asshole.
Yes.
You're such an asshole.
Okay. I'm up for
Anyway,
it.
and then how do you then end up winning Afro? What's it? Afro
music.
Afro music, yeah.
Oh, you did your research.
Yeah.
She's
2019 And then she went and did all these fancy
Yay.
interviews.
Yeah, that one, I entered a competition. I entered a competition.
Were you bored and like, I need more glory?
No. Oh, God, this guy. Okay, before I entered the competition, I was active in the choral music space here in Durban.
Yaziwa nje kule community.
Singing. Kakhulu kanjani. And they respect me.
You know at your funeral they're gonna sing a song for 10 minutes.
No.
You don't know that.
Is that too long?
Okay, well, I'll be dead, so I don't know.
Just because you can't direct them,
I'll write a will.
Who
gets to sing?
In my
The singing guest
funeral,
list.
This is the music that I want. Yeah. Anyway, so I was active, and then I was part of a choir that was very experimental. Not only doing choral music, do pop, do jazz, do everything. So even Masa Senza, the other genres, I'll get a lot of platforms to do solos. Hey, can you do this? Hey, we're doing something inside So Strong. Can you please do the solo for us? Oh, okay, cool. Hey, we're doing this. Can you do this for us? Okay, great. And then as time goes on, a lot of people would come, hey, maybe you should try going solo. Because, I mean, damn, like your voice, like, oh my God, we're impressed and whatnot. So I'd love that, but I would feel that, okay, now is not the time. You know, that was like maybe 2014, 15, 16. And then 2018, I released my first single.
Russia.
Paramambogod.
Sure.
Single does well. I'm like, oh, okay, I didn't expect this. I was just, you know. And then 2019, I come across the competition.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, let me read the guidelines and the rules and whatnot. Do reading. I'm like, let me enter with my song. Let me just see what's going to happen.
Yeah.
I mean, it's predominantly online.
Yeah.
You just need to get people to vote. Okay, I'll try. And I just entered.
Zash.
And then from time to time, they will announce, okay, this is now top 30, top 20, da-da-da-da-da-da-da. And I started taking it serious, asking people to vote. My friends were very supportive, voting. As much as we knew that a huge part of the adjudication set
Was the judges.
It's the judges' score, you know. But yeah, people voted for me because they loved my music.
Was the competition easy?
No, it wasn't. Because there was this guy from Nigeria that was giving me a hard time.
Hey,
bruh. What is it with Nigeria?
She's a dog.
Yeah.
A melody.
Yeah. Got the Bashayo F-Con.
There was this guy from Nigeria.
Cote d'Ivoire one. You didn't watch the final? Okay.
Dude, where do you live? I even know that.
I don't watch soccer, dog. He's the soccer fan between the three of us.
Oh.
Yeah, but not like
F-Con.
African.
How dare you say that?
How dare you?
Like
His views are not of the channel. They're his personal views.
Yes, I agree.
Still.
Winner?
Me supporter.
Blackburn.
Supposed to chase.
You support Blackburn Rovers.
Blackburn.
Thank you, Gal.
What could you pay the Blackburn?
Blackburn
Oh, let's
Rovers.
not open.
The last team.
The last team.
That's not Benny's team. To say that's Benny's team.
Yeah.
Did Benny not play for that team?
He had a stint.
Did he not play for the
What's
team?
a stint?
I was speaking English.
It's Kashan. Like,
So he did play. So he did play.
Did he not enter the field for that team in that shirt?
That wasn't his pinnacle of Benny.
Can we not say it is in Benny's teams?
Okay, wait.
We talk about legacy.
Okay, sharp. Let's talk about legacy. If you choose a team based on the last leg of a player's career, now so super is and now good time. He's on his way out, when I catch on him, he's been in better teams. When I catch a good time, we are Swallows. Hey, to support the Swallows. Shout out to Swallows.
I went to Manchester City after that, but she didn't want to keep my word.
What you choose, you choose.
Yeah, guys. So I then entered, and then there was the final round. They tried because it was a new project. They tried to have all singers come. They wanted to do it in Cape Town, the final round, where they'll have all of us. I think in the final round we were 15, if I'm not mistaken. But with funding issues, didn't happen. They just said, no, it's going to continue online. And then I remember the day, bruh. When we were waiting for the announcement. Oh my God.
It's like your matric results.
All over again.
10
years later.
I went to a club the previous night.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Did your parents know?
No, man.
Which club?
I don't remember.
Oh.
But I was partying. I remember
Were
that.
you drunk?
No. I went with my fiance. He was boyfriend at that time.
Yes. He knew.
He knew what?
She's about to blow.
That he got a winner. How?
No. Of course. So we went out. I'm pretty sure we had other friends there. So we were just out and then we came back. We slept the entire morning. I think we had a fight. Yes, we had a fight.
With the husband?
Yes.
Usually the case.
Then boyfriend at the time?
Yes, we had a fight. So I was like, don't
when
speak to me. Don't speak to me. No, it wasn't that type of fight. But we don't have those type of fights that, I saw you talking to that girl. No, we don't have that type.
It was more like ego.
Why didn't you bring me the drink?
I don't know, but it was something petty. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I was screaming. Yeah, and I think we had a fight. I'll never forget this. We had a fight and then we went to sleep. The entire morning we were sleeping, and then I remembered it was
competition,
guys. And then I went online, and right there and there, the announcement was being made. Screamer, guys. And he woke up like, babe, what's going on? And then he was apologizing, like, hey, babe, I'm sorry, but forget about that.
Bigger than that.
Hello? Yeah, I was very happy. I was honored. And for me, that was a stamp. For me, God was speaking to me and saying...
How old are you then? 28, 29, 27?
Yo, I wanted to be
2019, 19. It's either -1 or you're -2.
It's -2. I'm turning 32 this year, so
no, she's younger than me.
She's older
you
than me.
do them.
I'm older than her.
Yeah, you older than her, but too. Yeah, I know. So you're about to reach 30, and this music shit has been, and then boom,
here comes this thing.
Shooting J. After all this time, I knew I wasn't gonna be a scrum singer in the tavern.
The adjudicators were texting me, your song was great. I had already won an award for the best African song.
Continental girl.
In the competition, because there were other special awards.
Yeah.
Song that is most likely to be covered in another language, song that is what. So I'd won my song for the best song in an African language. So at least I had that. And that award was from France.
Shout out.
Yeah.
I got a France award.
Yeah, it was from France. So I was very excited. Guys, I can't even describe this.
So how did that change your life? Did it change your life?
At this point where you're like, I'm a solo artist. I'm
going for this.
It was the right push that I needed, because I knew that you're gonna go to Eurovision, you're gonna fly, you're gonna perform there, come back, and
you performed the Eurovision?
Yes, I did.
Oh, dope.
Yeah, you're gonna go there, you're gonna come back. I had that at the back of my mind. And then you're going to come back. And then because I was in contracts with them for a year, they're going to get you gigs. They're going to get you
this and that.
Appearances.
They PR seem hectic, bro.
And then after that, I had that in my mind. You could see, okay, they're going to pick another winner next year.
Yeah.
And then
it's done for you.
So I had that in my mind. It was, okay, this is the right push that I needed. Yeah. That I needed to work. I needed to work on my album. I needed to see where this thing is going to take me. Yeah. But that alone was an amazing experience. I mean, having to perform in front of 120,000 people.
Yes,
you had big screens, bruh. I was about to my screens.
It should be.
You mean I was none of like the screens. Picture job like Land.
Sure.
Kune stage slap Sun Coast, and then there's tons of people. But figure out beach. The screens everywhere. So that's Nalo, so South Beach. As much as I'm on stage,
but they are boys.
Yo, guys, I will never forget that experience.
That's crazy. Dude.
It was crazy. I had hectic flu,
Yeah.
but I pulled through.
Yeah, you have to.
Yeah.
You can have diarrhea on that stage. You still.
I was gonna shit on myself, and it was gonna be okay.
Yeah.
Yep.
That is fucking crazy.
Yeah.
So then, with all of that singing stuff, what happened after the Afro Euro, and then they left you? COVID.
COVID happened. Shem Afro music was hit so bad. Because even the founders, I think they've moved from South Africa now.
Oh.
Yeah.
It was bad. It was really bad. COVID, yeah, shy, guys.
As an artist,
I don't want to lie to you. But I'm grateful for. I don't know if I can say the name of the.
Say it.
Jukes.
The streaming service.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yo, guys, mina Jukes wang tagula, guys.
In the on the pingom.
They had these live performance thingies going
on. Oh, I remember.
Yes.
Yeah, the streaming from home.
Yes, and you'll plug and you'll perform for like 30 minutes or so.
I actually did one with T-Bag.
Yes, and then you'll get paid.
Oh, dope.
It was too good to be true, but they'll really pay you. They'll pay you. And I was so excited. I'm like, what?
So you did a few concerts?
I did a few concerts, and then I entered another competition. Big live, Jukes competition, big live, where you'd sing and Lord Solama views amaningi will be selected to go, Nime selected and then do another one, and then Donama views amaningi is the winner, what, and then I won, and then I got to open for Jeremy Loops. Yo, I was so excited.
Oh, dope.
Yo,
dope.
That's why I'm mad, guys.
Jeremy Loops.
Yo, I was so excited.
I don't
know. No, it's because
it's because
I don't know.
I don't know.
I really don't know.
Fault.
Yeah.
Was Afropop always the genre that you wanted to go into, or did you have like another idea? R&B or whatever.
I will do other genres. I've tried doing other genres. It's just that I loved Afropop.
Why do you think vocalists only stick with like Afropop and house, like in South Africa generally? Like they only make like a dance?
I think it's a type of music that resonates with South Africans, truly speaking. A larger audience resonates with house, Afropop, Afro soul, So that it's safe.
Yeah.
Okay. A lot of artists would want to play it safe, I loved Afropop. Like even now, going to studio,
so
it's what I know.
On your way, isn't all the time. It's like,
so it's what I know. I loved it, and even now, with the new music that I have, I would say to my manager, sometimes the stuff that I have, I feel like it's old school Afropop.
Got you.
But to me, it makes a lot of sense, But to get back to the question,
singing about cows and shit.
Yeah.
I'm just playing with you. Don't get offended now.
Yeah. I know. I don't think I'll get there.
You do R&B.
No, I do R&B, but there's a lot of other stuff to sing about.
What are your next genres?
Yeah.
I'm willing to try out jazz.
Oh, don't say jazz! I was in my head saying don't say jazz.
Why?
That's because you just like, it's just so it's safe.
Close.
It's safe.
It's close,
it's safe.
Yeah. Jazz, Maskandi.
Okay, let you
I
go.
wanna do a dope hip hop song.
As in rap?
No.
Oh,
as in like sing and then the other
R&B.
person.
But when I'm showing number 4 bars, 8 bars, I say,
and
I take it. And
then go shaya.
Or rap and Beyonce.
But
do you write for other people?
Work for other people.
Right.
I haven't written for another person. I want to this year.
Okay.
I want to.
And you wrote all your songs?
Yes.
Okay.
I write all my songs. I want to write for another person because there is stuff that I would write and I feel like, I'd want someone else to sing this.
It's not in my voice.
It's not in my.
I want to speak about this, but not in my voice.
I will get people to.
So then I met you.
My stuff.
Sorry, cut you off. I met you on screen when I was cutting your scene for Spongile and the Dlaminis. Why did you jump over to acting now? We are
You know, it's a funny story, guys.
Tell us.
The person who convinced me to try acting was attracted to me. My physique attracted them to me.
What? Oh, type yam.
No, not in that way.
Oh.
In which way then?
In which
No,
way?
in looking at a person and seeing how they are built and thinking in your mind that, because I mean, I get.
Sounds like you remind me of a girl.
I get.
You saying like
I play
you're
roles of older people.
typecasted.
Oh.
So
Yeah.
it's like you'd fit this.
You would
character
fit this
purposely.
character because we're looking for a
Okay,
person
okay.
who is tall and powerful and whatnot. That's how I really got into it. Someone came to me and mentioned that, you know what, have you done this? No, I haven't done acting for TV. I've done theater.
They're like, what? TV? Sounds like a challenge. Let's go.
Because I had done acting for theater.
Yeah.
Yeah, and I said, no, I haven't done acting for TV. I'm willing to learn, though. And then, yeah, that I was approached. I'm not going to say I've always
So which
had
role
that
was that?
passion
Which role was that for?
For Deb and Jen.
For Durban Jen?
Yes.
Oh, shit.
Yes, I
You
was
go
approached.
pay, hey, Washa?
Yeah,
What about Neslap?
No. I was Magatsile. Remember, Kelvin had another girl pregnant.
I don't remember.
Yeah.
But yeah.
And then I was the mother of the pregnant girl.
Oh, what's her, Sanjay? What's her?
Gabi.
And then since then,
Since then, yeah.
Since then, yes, I've been
Soon the
getting...
agent, DJ.
Yes.
And do you like it?
My agent approached me, by the way.
Oh.
Yes.
You're like, yes, I'm winning again.
So I'm
winning
getting
again.
so I'm getting coaching now.
Fucking dope, dude.
Doing a lot of reading.
Do you like it?
I love it.
Do you like the
Like
time?
the hours.
The hours are horrible.
No, the hours are horrible, guys. Ngeke.
Yeah. So
Hey,
do you
ma.
like it?
Aye. Fair go six.
Kusibongele and the Dlamini is I actually asked the guys, the crew, guys, do you have a life?
No. 6 to 6, bro. Shooter.
No.
That's just sad.
Yeah, it's what you want to do, ain't it?
Yeah, I know, but I mean,
choose.
at least, well, because Mina, I've only done a small roles. Sorry.
Oh, you're not
So you're not there.
I haven't done.
You haven't
a
done 2
lead,
months.
You know,
Oh,
I haven't.
dude.
So, like in Toyami, you're shooting for a week, and then
even
that's it.
even a movie, bro, like 10 days, and you feel it, bro.
You feel it, yeah.
Yo, your body's
I'm
like,
like, but these guys, but these guys, shame. By 6 they are here, and I get by 6 they're working up and down. Well, I've never seen them. And then shoot and facials at times they go over time. We have one about which they're complaining, but I mean,
It's your
job.
Job.
yeah. But I even find it difficult sometimes to call myself an actress because
Because you're so new to it.
I'm new to it.
Yeah.
She's just dabbling. She's
But-
just doing it as a
But you already been on like 2 TV shows.
man, nigga.
3.
3, yeah, 1 and J. Who's counting?
I've been to 3, yes, but I've been on 3 on 3 shows. But I respect the craft so much that there's a lot of unlearning that I have to do, and a lot of
The theater.
learning.
The theater and learning.
Yes.
Yeah.
A
Biz
lot-
that puts,
a
hey.
lot of-
So I know your face. Actor.
you know, so there's a lot of things that I need to learn about the craft so that every time I'm given a role, I do better. Every time I'm given a role, I understand that it's not just about memorizing lines,
Got you.
sister. It's a lot. You have to dig deeper. I'm learning a lot, and I'm enjoying the learning process so much.
You're
Yeah.
I think, is it helping you with any traumas that you've gone through? Like, do you pull from a trauma, or is it just like
I
how do you
haven't come across a situation where I had to pull
It's
from
similar.
a trauma.
work? So you literally just trying to envision yourself as in this
Yeah,
person's shoes.
I understand this character, and with the information that you have, you understand the traumas of the character, and then you take it from there.
So you don't try to find like a connection. So is
Picking on a mic, bitch.
Is there a connection that you try to find?
No, with the roles that I've played, no.
No. Okay.
No, because remember the roles that I play are roles of old people. I always get old people roles because of how I'm built.
Got you.
Yeah. But so far, no, I haven't had
How's
a
it
rule where I had to dig somewhere. No.
How's it fighting with Mom Deliwa?
Oh, I wish I could fight with her again.
In real life.
No. But she was amazing.
Yeah.
By the way, she was. Ukasebenzeka naye.
Yeah.
She would give me pointers. Okay, in order for this thing to work, let's do it like this.
Yeah.
Let's do it like this so that it works. She was that person. She would not get on set and just, hi Johnny, okay,
Keep to
3, 2,
herself.
1, action, and then go.
Sure.
Del.
Yeah.
She was not that. She was very welcoming. She would sit with her. Okay, let's look at the script. Okay, how are we going to do this so that he and Zega,
Got you.
yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I tried to make you look good, but
Yeah.
shy girl.
So, do you
She
ever get
whooped
on
my
set
ass.
and be like starstruck?
No.
No. Okay.
Seen it all. Seen the industry for too long. Been behind the curtain for too long now.
No, I've never been starstruck.
Okay.
And I'll tell you why.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know. I don't think it was starstruck. Gisuke, I don't know. I just respect the people that I see on TV, and I'll get an opportunity to work with them. It's more of me showing respect and not going, oh my God. No, I don't do that. I mean, we're all in the same industry. It's just a matter of respect.
Yeah.
I'm gonna say, oh my God, I have so much respect for you. Like, I'm very appreciative of this opportunity.
Okay.
Yeah.
What are you working on now?
Now, I'm just being a mom now.
Oh.
First time mom.
No,
How many
How
kids you
many?
got?
I have 2 kids.
Mother of the nation.
When you had the second one, was it like, I'm doing this again? This is
One
it.
more time.
The experience was different. My pregnancies.
Was the first one better?
The first one,
Guys.
I was still in school when I was pregnant.
Wait.
So you can't call that a nice experience.
Like college school.
Hey, Baba, grade
school.
12, I was
Hey.
pregnant.
Ucula lana,
Uphiza uculela amadoda. Hi boy.
Yeah, Shem. I had my son.
Hectic.
Yes.
How old is he now?
Yo,
We said
13.
30, she said she's 32, dog.
Oh, so
I don't know.
18, yeah, 12, 13.
14.
Hey.
Yeah, I mean, with age, I'm very bad.
Teenage.
Even with my son, I need to. But Oga 2009.
Yeah.
He's turning 14, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Crazy.
Yeah. And it was very bad, guys.
You disappointed your parents in grade 12.
Fethu, ngawaphoxa abazali.
But you're a better person now because
Yeah.
you won a competition on TV.
Yeah.
On the
And
internet.
I was broken-hearted.
Akshu, baby dead.
Wangshia.
Did he come back?
You tried.
Oh gosh. Left back.
I don't know if I should say this. No, you know what?
Yeah.
I don't think he loved me.
He loved himself.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think that's a way I don't think he loved me.
Why would
I
you say
think
that?
You're the mother
it
of
was
his child.
just a spare of the moment thing.
Grade 12.
It was
Okay.
a moment thing,
Yeah.
and then now there's a child, and then okay, I'm gonna try because now there's
With
a child.
I got you. Good.
But
And you're both young, nah?
yeah, and then it just
Shabalala.
evaporated. So that is why I'm saying I don't think he loved me.
Okay.
I
Yeah.
know, I was Oh, Bethu.
And then the second time was like fun. Was like, oh my god, you're doing the whole
the second time I was
the photo shoots and the
no, I didn't do the photo shoots.
You didn't do them. Bethu.
No, even with my coming one, I will not do the photo.
When's
shoots.
the next one coming? 2025.
When she wins
I think
a
in about
Grammy.
4 years or
when
so.
you win a Grammy.
4 years.
Yeah,
Come
I'll
on,
have
dog.
another child.
No, that's fair. She's 32.
No, get it over and done with now.
That is also true.
Gadale. Not in Cyril's
No.
economy. We gotta recover from this recession.
No.
No, but so how
No.
old is the youngest one now?
She's turning 3 this year.
Oh, shame, so coolly looking.
Stunning.
Yeah, so I have 2 kids. I'm a mom.
Finish up my play dates. No, I'm turning 3 this year.
Aw.
She's a menace. Yo, menace, eh? Like just active.
No, she doesn't know.
No, toddlers are like that.
Yeah.
Toddlers, a toddler will
Carve you, dog. Yo. Carve you.
Mommy.
you will think a newborn is better.
Yeah.
Like we are super lamp newborn. Toddler.
And then they're fuck.
Hey, a toddler ilali baba.
In emotional, every time everything's an emotional
Yeah.
experience. everything.
Yeah, but I'm enjoying being a mom. And what I also want to do, I just want, one of my resolutions, I just wanted to be a better person this year. I wanted to do better. I wanted to be more present for my kids. My kids are growing up, and with the hectic schedule that I have, each and every gap,
You spend time
I
with
spend
them.
time with my kids. I want to be a better daughter. I want to spend time with my parents. I want to be a better friend. I want to be a better.
Were you working from
Babe.
like low lows, or were you like a decent person and then you're like,
Yeah.
What do you mean, low
Well, you're a
lows?
mean girl.
like were you, like you say you want to be a better person, so it's like, hey, you were a trash person before. and
No,
then,
it's not that. When there's certain things that will happen around you, you start losing people. People die. So all that shit.
You let it overwhelm
hit
you.
you.
So I say
Yes.
it was okay.
So you're not
Like,
gonna let it overwhelm you anymore.
Yeah, I just want to be a better person. I just want to be there because time, guys.
Hey,
How
what's
does marriage help you get through that?
Oh my God. Do you have another hour? My fiance is an amazing person.
You say,
No,
"Ah,
I'm
ulalele,
fiancé.
no,
I thought it was. I
fiancé."
thought the ring is big. I mean, I thought
No,
it's
I'm
gone.
engaged.
Oh, she doesn't look at it.
Ah,
Yeah,
nisazodukani.
So podcaster from Umshad.
Yes.
Recording live. RadioDR.
Yeah, my fiance is an amazing person.
Yeah.
I think.
I'm telling you.
What?
I know, right? It's actually quite
He
disgusting.
saw me performing at
He's a fan.
grade 12.
Oh.
No, he was also singing.
Grade 12, man.
Yes.
Grade 12.
Grade 12.
Yeah, but that's still the.
He was
that's
high school
fair.
sweetheart.
Yes.
Yeah.
He was from another school. I'm from another school.
Was
And
in a
schools
kumbula
are
though.
coming together.
But
We're
they don't
competing.
bend,
And then,
But you've always known him.
no.
So he's always known you.
He's always known you.
No, guys.
Because he was a fan first.
No, he wasn't a fan.
Nigga, when he
Angithi
saw
mina
you on
bengiqala
stage,
ukucula isolo ka grade 12. So yena ungaze lapho.
but he's in the crowd.
Sahlangana lapho. No, he's not in the crowd. He's also
Uyacula naye.
singing.
Oh, he's a
Okay.
singer now.
Yes.
I
Oh,
thought he was just this.
this guy
This
in the
fan.
crowd. He's like,
No.
yo, I want to marry that one.
No,
I was
my
about to say
babe.
creepy, but now that he sings, it's like it's okay.
no,
This
it's not
creepy
like
fan,
that.
just like, okay, cool.
Yeah, he's amazing.
Got you.
I wouldn't even
Have
be
a second
sane
child. Oh.
if it wasn't for him.
So
He's also my manager.
you can tell all of the women. He's also a manager.
Yes.
I was gonna ask
We need
you.
to meet him.
Yeah.
You
the
will.
brav.
He's the brav. He's the brav. He does everything. He makes the money calls.
Yeah.
You will meet him.
Yeah,
He's
man.
a dope guy.
Oh, wait. Manage.
Yeah, he's great. He's dope.
Says
And
Bala.
he gets to experience even the hectic side.
Of course, the crazy
Yeah,
side.
he sees the impatient me. He sees me when I'm crying, when I'm not satisfied, when I'm guys,
your
when
ego.
I'm sick.
When your ego takes over all the time, he's there.
Yeah. Hey, Pella,
Hey,
when
hey.
you're a singer and artist.
Because it lives in the east.
Have you asked people that I've worked with about me?
No, because you put on a mask at work.
No, I
I
don't.
want your husband. He sees the mask off
Oh, well.
The artist.
Yeah, so
before you put on the wig to go to work.
no, guys. I'm a nice person to work with.
Yeah.
Yeah, I see, Sholo.
I'm
Does your
telling
3-year-old
you.
think you're nice? Does
No,
your
I'm
3-year-old
You
think
can't
you're
tell
nice?
us.
okay.
Yeah,
Yeah.
you can't tell us.
You wanna
People
see
must
it?
tell you, like,
Yes.
people must tell you what's
Okay,
okay.
cool.
Yeah, it's okay.
Understood. Anyway, yeah. So another thing that I want to do, I want to collaborate more this year.
Dope.
Yeah.
Musically?
Musically,
Film?
yes. Musically.
So Shaili move was over the teacher's wife.
Would you do like just like a feature, like just a side feature, a side film, Jay?
Yeah.
And just okay. So like your
Sure.
collaboration is like music and film.
Yeah.
Just in
Arts
I just
collaboration.
want to collaborate, yeah, with
Okay.
as many people as I can collaborate with. As much as every year I'm doing this Songstresses of Durban show every year in the month of August.
Okay, man.
my girl.
My girl, come on. She
If,
feels offended that I asked her.
if
that.
she could have been paid since high school, she'd be paid since
She
high
be-
No,
school.
guys,
She be
no,
paid.
no.
That event, yo, still feels a podcast.
Yeah, so I do that show every year where when did I'm planning the third annual one. This is the third one
Third is the
that we're gonna do this year. Eyokuqala ngayenza noZawadi, noZinhle Madela. Yes. The second one
Uzawati now was
did
cross. Uzawati was cross.
Zawadi, you
Podcast.
better come.
Yeah, podcast.
And then the second one I did with Sky Wanda.
Sky now was cross.
Sky was cross. Sky was cross. I'm a songstress of Durban.
Hi,
So I like
guys.
that one by one.
And then yeah, I'm still planning this one. So that's one thing that I want my show to be big.
Dope.
I want it to be in Durban's calendar.
Ucule kahle.
Have I ever disappointed? Okay, we can talk about that.
Yeah, business manager.
Nah.
Hey, I'm the manager. Bitch.
Yeah, so what's up now is Iuni Zulu Choir, University of Zululand. They just featured me in their album. The single is out, which actually it's a remake of my song.
Okay.
Oh, dope.
Ikukulam, yes.
Getting that double rack.
So we worked on that.
Sing of your
Yeah,
first
well,
song,
it's
and
first
then they
song.
do a
And then
remake.
do the remake of your song, and then you're getting paid as a songwriter and a performing artist.
And the
Some
performing
artists have it
artist.
too easy.
Yeah, dog. If I was,
No, it's not. Yeah, faith, no, guys. You know, we sit here and we talk about all of these things, and it's not. It's really not nice out there. It is.
The gaps between the milestones.
Yeah.
Nobody talks
Big
about
You
gaps
know,
in
you
you
will
think,
stand
yeah.
at ICC you would sing and people will clap for you. People would cry and be like, "My God, my child!"
promoting
And
a
you
coke.
will go home and you will have nothing to eat.
Promoting a coke.
So
guys,
it's
one week.
really, it's really hectic for us artists. So that is why we,
The gig economy, dog.
bruh.
If people want to get more of your work, can they find you?
On my socials, I'm there. Facebook, Nonzwakazi, Insta, Nonzwakazi_Gamashimane. Yeah, those are my most active ones socially. That's where I'm available.
But they can like Google Nonzwakazi Maphumulo and find their way, you know.
And find my music. My music is available in all digital platforms. I have
Showcase.
singles there and I have albums there. And
Big
this-
songs, big
and I have
songs.
more music coming. This year I'm long plan ukuthi, you know that
Yeah, drop and
Man, yeah, drop and
music video.
I've been looking for people to
I get you a caller when I
How?
get you a caller when I
You believe.
Hey.
You just katata. How?
yeah, so this year I'm planning, guys, ukuthi don't get to and I did a house song with Joseph Dube.
Yeah.
Joseph! I saw him the other day.
Yeah.
Petso piano.
It's a
Gonna
dope-
clapping.
Dope song that we did.
How? Bill
Both
seven.
a band.
How Joseph?
Yeah.
And we're still playing of a sort of case. Hey, load shedding. Cyril.
Yo, bruh. So
You missed out on
we-
Joseph sets because of Cyril.
Yes, we didn't
yeah,
listen
so
to
we're
it.
gonna shoot a music video for Makosazana.
With who?
Definitely.
Who's gonna shoot that?
I hear directed by Nzu.
Who's gonna shoot that?
Dude, can I continue? Because the spirit that you have right now is not that of a presenter. You are pitching now.
Back to podcast.
Back to podcast.
Broadcast.
Yes.
Okay, yeah.
So we're gonna be shooting music video Makosazana.
Interesting.
I'm gonna be releasing new music. I wanna work with so many people, guys. I wanna work with
I'm sure
Ntokozo
Joseph too.
Mkhize. Oh God, that girl can sing.
She's a gospel singer.
Yeah, but she doesn't do only gospel.
Oh.
Yeah. Oh, her voice. I can listen to her sing all day.
Have you met her?
Yeah.
She married?
I don't
What's
know.
that got to do with?
I just want to know.
She's married, Doug.
Yeah, that's why I'm asking if she's married. Cause
I don't know.
You don't hang around married people only.
I hang around with people, whether you're married or not.
Yeah,
Oh.
but so,
I mean, she's hanging with us.
so they're saved or unsaved.
Yes.
Okay.
Oh, God.
Thank you.
I want to work with Zinhle Madela.
Zitla's dope.
Siyamazi,
Siyamazi kuze.
Yeah.
Madela's finest.
I wanna a lot, guys. Sky, we need to do a song together. Yazi ukuthi hey.
Call her out. Call her out and
Call her out right now. Yeah,
Guy.
come.
Kaya come. Uthi ozokwenza sure ukuthi akuhluli ingoma.
And all of these things are gonna happen, guys.
Yeah.
They will happen, I'm telling you.
I'm actually going to use this as a promo.
I also want
that's
to work with Symphony. She's a singer from Eswatini, the winner of the first Afro Music.
Sure, 2018.
2018. Symphony, I want to work with her. Oh,
Did you meet her?
So you're going to be like,
She's yes, we've met a couple of times. She's gorgeous. Have you
Already?
seen her?
as in
No.
like physically.
Don't do that. I've got a girlfriend.
And she's a twin. So it's 2 times the gorgeousness.
In the conversation. But she's a good singer.
Yes.
Okay,
she's a
that's
good
fine.
singer.
That's a no baby mama.
No, I was just complimenting.
Nonzwakazi Maphumulo, thank you so much for coming through and having a great time with us. Had a great chat with you.
Thank you so much for
Yeah.
having me. It was great. Great
Yes,
You
chat.
have fun. You have
Lou
fun.
said
Yes.
we're gonna be boring, and I said,
He's lying.
Yeah, you have to invite me back.
No.
Yeah, because there's other things we need to talk about as well.
Depends.
it depends
On what?
on this music video.
Like who's going to shoot that?
Okay, you really want to shoot this
Who's
music
going to
video?
shoot?
Okay, you're going to shoot the music video. It's fine.
We had it here first and only here.
And
RadioDR. That's it. That's it. Deeply rooted the world. Bye.
RadioDR.